Manipur Fire Service na lamdam asida thokpa mai haulang poktagi ngak thokpa ngamnabagi ehenba khongthang ama oina center gi tara mangarak suba finance commission gi senthang makhada naungna leiba motorcycle ga loinana water mist firefighting unit tara rescue equipment amasung fire proximity shoot yawa ising liter 6000 ki capacity leiba water bowser mari nauna thabak hauhan khibaga loinana state ki senthang makhada saba Manipur Fire Service ki training cum conference hall amadi fire prevention wing office Manipur gi chief secretary Prasant Kumar ngasi Shanggakhare loinana Churachandpur Kangpokpi Senapati More Jiribam Chandel Bisnupur Thobal amadi Imphal da lairiba fire substation singidama Gari sing adu Yenthokkhre Thauram maduga mari lainana Chief Secretary Prasant Kumar na haikibada Manipur Fire Service ta nauna hapchilakliba matamga chunaba khutlaising asina mai haulang thengnabada achowa mating ama oiragani ngasi sangariba Manipur Fire Service ke training cum conference hall amadi fire prevention wing gi office amadi firefighting gi gari sing asi Manipur Fire Service ke yamna singthaningai oiba khongthang amani firefighting gi Khutlai Singh amadi Gari Singh asi Churachandpur Kangpokpi Senapati More Jiribam Chandel Bisnupur Thobal amadi Imphal Fire Substation da sizinanabani Imphal gi akoibada leiriba lambi gi fibam asi afaba mongda thamnaba lengakna thorang paikhatli Imphal town gi akoibada leiriba lambi sing concrete road oihanaba thorang paikhatpa haure rigid pavement project ki makhada kilometer 450 gi oigadaba Imphal gi akoibada leiba leirak sing yauna lambi sing asi concrete road oihanaba hotnari Thabak asi lakliba chahi ani rom asida loishinba ngamgani khali thabak sing asi loishilabadi Imphal ge akoibada leiriba lambi sing afaba lambi oiragani masina fire service ki thabak thoram singda hena khudong chaba oihalagani haiba wafam phongdokhi
We have flagged off around 10 bikes with water mist firefighting units installed and 4 water houses. The districts covered are Churachandpur, Kangpokpi, Senapati, More, Jiribam, Chandel, Bishnupur, Thobal and Imphal. The best part about the fire service is that unlike police, we sometimes need to forget their human service. They are the ones who actually come out when a disaster breaks out and they risk their lives on the spot to preserve property and protect civilians. There is also a solution with drones that they can be connected to the drone and the tender can supply water to that. All those things they are working very hard on and I am sure that in the days to come, in the very near future, fire service will be very well equipped in the state of Manipur.